Okay, we have still yet another question. Looking at the question, you can tell us the U-substitution question. Because if you set this, ask yourself, which is more complex here? This term or this? This, of course, this is complex. So if you set this equals to U, if you differentiate this item here, this function here, you should have something to cut this out. And it's true. So if you're looking at that, you know you want to use your U-substitution. Now, set our U equal to what? 3x squared plus 1. Differentiating both sides, the U. Differentiate you get the U. Differentiate this, you're going to get to 6x. Remember, the x, do not forget. Now, we're solving for the x. Solve for the x. The Bible said I want 6x. So the x should equal what? The U over 6x. And that's what we have now. So we have everything in terms of what? So let's go back to the question. So we have this, we have the 6x, and we have what? U. Remember, it's what is this like? I will set to U. Du all over what? Now the x, instead of writing this, write du over what? 6x. And you can see very well they are indeed going to cut out. So this cancels this. We're left with what? Integral. Now we convert this to what? U raised to the power what? 1 over 2 du. That's it. Now we integrate. We just add on to our half here. So we have u raised to the power 1 over 2 plus what? 1. I'll write that as 2 over 2. All over what? What over what we have is what? 3 over 2 plus our c. Remember that we could also multiply by the reciprocal. If you don't divide that 3 over 2. So we now what? U raised to the power 3 over 2 and make it bigger. U raised to the power 3 over 2 should multiply what? 2 over 3 plus what? C. Now remember, our U is what? 3x squared plus 1. So we remember that information. 2 over 3 into bracket was 3 or 3, let's do that. 3x squared. Remember, this is what we have 3x squared plus 1 all raised to the power 3 over 2 plus c. This is also our answer. But we can also do it by bringing it down. Remember, our question is in terms of radical. So we should give our answer in that way. So I will write it up here. I'm going to bring this down. If I bring it down, I'm going to have 2 over, I'm going to have a 2 over into bracket 3x squared plus 1 always to the power 3 over 2 plus c. That's not all. Let's take it to the last part. Let's clean this page. See here. So clean here and write our final answer was 2 over 3. Now this is what? Square root of what? 3x squared plus 1 always to the power what? 3 plus c. Now this is our answer. This will make it clear. This is our answer right here. Right here. This is our answer in this case. We took it back to square roots. The roots, radical term. It's best to leave your answer the way it's given. That's good for us. So I hope it's clear enough for everybody that's watching this video. I really do appreciate your time. Let me make this. Okay. Yeah, I think that's fair enough. That's it. Okay, I think we still have yet another question here. But in this case, we're going to flex a bit. We're going to do some theory of flexing something. But here, what if want to set our u to be? We should set our u to be the one that appears a bit complex. This one, raised to the power 4. We could write this out, you understand, repeated them, you understand, four pieces. Then we four, then we integrate the traditional integration. But that will appear longer than necessary. So we just going to set this equal to u, then we go from there. Let's have it. So we're going to have u should equal what? X negative 1. Then the u, we measure this side. The u will be what? The measure is going to be 1. So 1 dx. It's not really anything. That means the x is equal to the u in this case. You could write 1, you could take it out if you don't mind. 1 dx is still there. So the x is equal to what? The u. But in this case, since we have a term that appears in this, we want this x here to power. We want to set u equal to x. We want to solve for x. It helps us a whole lot. Just see what's going to do. We set and find the value of x in terms of u. This is going to be what? X to the what? U plus 1. If we take the negative 1 over, we have u plus 1 equals x. So now this is the value of x. So we're substituting the x and x. So everything is going to be the x of it. So let's do that. Oh, sorry, so the x here. Please, the x here, everything is out. So let's do. We have what? This is our u. So we say u raised to the power 4. We don't want to forget that. Then remember, x is what? U plus 1. I was supposed to write what? X plus 5. But x is what? U plus 1. So I'll clean it and write the what? A u plus 1. A u plus 1. Let me make it bigger. I'm going to do it like this. I was supposed to write, this is u raised to the power 4. Then we have what? X plus 5. I'm going to take out the sub x for u plus 1. So I'm going to have the what? Instead of writing x, I'm going to write u plus 1, then plus 5. The x will now become what? Du. So you can see everything is in terms of u at this point. So 5 plus 1 is what? Is 6. So we have what? A u plus 6. Then u raised to the power 4 du. Now what do we do next? We open the bracket. So if we open the bracket, we're going to have what? U times u raised to the power 4 times u, that's what? U raised to the power 5. Then u raised to the power 4 times c, that's what? 6 u raised to the power 4. We can integrate this. We know that the traditional approach to integration is u. Now we can't integrate this. Remember, we can integrate this. So let's get down to it. Let's start. Integrating u raised to the power 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1. Then 6u raised to the power 4. That was 4. Remember, 6u now 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1. It was a constant integration. So this is going to be what? U raised to the power 5 over what? 5 plus 6u raised to the power 5. Sorry, this is 5 plus 1 is 6, and this is 6 here. You have 6u raised to the power 5 over what? 5 plus c. So we can have this in this steps. You could say 1 over 6u positive 6 over 5 u raised to the power 5 plus c. Now we return. Remember, our u is what? X negative 1. So we have to return back to x because our question came in there to x. We don't want to do that to x. So x has been there for us. So let's get back to what we have. So it's going to be 1 over 6. What's our x? Our x is what? What's our power? Oh, this is raised to the power 6. We have 1 over 6, u raised to the power 6. We don't forget that. I'm sorry, I left that out. 1 over 6. So we have x negative 1 all raised to the power 6 plus 6 over 5. Now, still x negative 1 all raised to the power 5 plus c. Now, that's our answer. I hope I could write it where it is clearer. Should I? Let me put it here. Let me think I will clean this out. Let me put this. Alright, let me write it here so that maybe it will be over 6. U is what? X negative 1 always over 6 plus 6 over 5. Our U is what? X negative 1 still always over 5 plus C. And this is indeed our answer to this question using U-substitution. If you like the video, thanks. Drop a like, drop a comment in the comment section, and share with your friends, your colleagues, other learners, and your teachers and your lecturers. Thanks a lot. God bless you. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much.